Welcome back to another episode of Julia's Jammin Kitchen. Today, we're gonna make a coconut shortbread cookie. This cookie is sure to delight your palate. Now, let's get jamming in the kitchen. First up, we're gonna add some all-purpose flour. And now for our twist, some coconut flakes. And as you can see, I ground my coconut flakes up to have a more flour-like texture so it can disperse evenly throughout our flour to make sure our flavor shines in every bite that we take. This looks nice and combined. Time to add some salted butter. Now I'm going to mix our butter and flour and coconut together, and we're going to use the reverse creaming method. This is not gonna incorporate much air into our cookie dough. It's gonna give us a nice sturdy cookie that holds its shape in the end. And our texture, when it's all done, it's gonna look like sand. Now, we're gonna grab our wet ingredients. First, I'm gonna add our sweetened condensed milk. This is gonna add our hint of sugar. It's gonna add a little lightness from the dairy. And it's gonna add that little bit of extra moisture that we are looking for in our shortbread cookie. Our cookie dough is just starting to come together, and while it's doing that, I'm gonna add our vanilla bean paste. Vanilla can also act as an enhancer, and in this case, it's gonna enhance a little bit of the sweetness from our condensed milk. Our cookie dough is done. Let's grab our cookie sheet and parchment paper and get ready to get these babies in the oven. Now let's get them in the oven. Our cookies are fresh out of the oven. I can't wait for them to cool so we can try them. Our cookies look and smell delicious. They kind of look like little snowballs, but look at the texture, nice golden brown on the bottom. That coconut is really coming through, and let's break it open to see what the inside looks like. Look at how moist these looked on the inside. Now let's go in for a bite. So, our cookie stays true to a shortbread by not being too sweet, but that coconut flavor really shines through. You even get a little bit of texture from the coconut as well. You also get a hint of vanilla, and the moistness in the middle is so great. No more dry shortbread cookies that you'll choke on. I had fun making this cookie. I hope you go get experimenting with it. Try something a little bit different. If you don't like coconut, maybe substitute for some pistachios. Remember, the kitchen is our playground. It's a place for us to be creative. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this cookie, and you go get experimenting in the kitchen. Thank you for watching this episode. Please share with friends, family. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we post a new video. Thanks for all your support, and I'll see you next time on Julia's Jammin Kitchen.